5 mind-bending paradoxes. What is a paradox? A paradox is a problem or statement that leads to a self-contradictory conclusion and seems to defy logic. The first paradox on the list is Ship of Theseus Paradox. Now let us suppose you have an old wooden ship. You remove a plank from the ship one at a time and replace it with the new plank. You do this with every piece until the old ship is completely replaced. Is it still the same ship? If you construct a new ship out of the old pieces you took off from the first ship, which one is the original ship? Hence, the paradox. Second one on the list is the grandfather paradox. Now let us suppose a girl goes back in time and kills her grandfather before he has a chance to meet her grandmother and sire her father. Since her grandfather is dead, the girl was never born. If she were never born, how could she kill her grandfather? So there is a paradox, and this is the exact reason why time travel is not possible. Like as shown in the movies that you can go back and change something. So in reality, it's not possible. The number 3 on the list is liar's paradox. The liar's paradox can be summed up in one sentence. Everything I say is a lie. But it is impossible for that sentence to be true, because if everything I do say is a lie, then the sentence would be true, meaning that not everything I say is a lie. Again, which is a paradox. Saritas Paradox. An example of this paradox goes as follows. A finite but very large number of grains of sand, say 100,000, is a heap of sand. If you remove one grain of sand from a heap, it still remains a heap. Now let's take out one grain out of heap. Grain count is 1 less than 100,000. Now repeat this process for long iterations. A heap minus 1 grain is a heap, but ultimately you are left with 1 grain. Is that 1 grain still a heap? If not, then at what point did the heap convert to non-heap? And this is the most confusing paradox. That at what point a heap of sand converted into a non-heap. Last one on the list is Fermis Paradox. A mind-blowing paradox comes from the apparent contradiction that exists between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations being out there somewhere and our lack of alien contact or evidence. In a universe of infinite space, the odds of life existing on another planet other than Earth are pretty high. However, no confirmed signs of intelligence have been spotted outside Earth, either in our galaxy or in the more than 80 billion other galaxies of the observable universe. Hence, physicist Enrico Fermi's famous question, where is everybody? Again, it's a paradox. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Until next week, thank you and goodbye.